Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a really quick wig review on this wig by Outre, and it is their melted hairline lace front wig in the style Harper in the shade 613. This has baby hairs, pre-attached wide elastic band, frontal effect hairline, no plucking required, redesigned comfort fit ear contour, HD transparent lace, and heat resistant fibers, safe up to 400 degrees. And here are some of the special colors that it comes in, and the model is just wearing it in a color 1B. All right, so let's just get straight to it. This wig, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to get my lighting situated. Y'all, I don't know. This wig has a lot of reviews online, but for this color, I think at the time when I looked it up, it was only like 2 reviews. And one of the reviews, it was a white person, and it looked really good on them. I don't know. This is so weird because typically I like wigs. I always order my wigs off the internet. I can't remember because I ordered this wig like literally 2 months ago, so I will leave a link down below to where I purchased it, and you guys have to excuse my voice. But yeah, I order wigs offline all the time, and I typically always like them, and I don't know about this one. I don't know if it's like my makeup throwing it off. I don't know if it's what I'm wearing, but it's giving me real like Stepford Wife realness, which is, I don't know. And okay, I will say this wig gave me tangling like right out the package, which is so weird to me because it's really not that long. It's like 18 to 20 inches, but I just wanted to like brush out these curls a little bit, like comb them out. And yeah, it just, I don't know, like I really like the curls, and I think this wig would be so cute in like a number 2 or a 1B, but for some reason I'm not feeling it. I don't know, like I will definitely wear it, but it definitely is like a certain type of look, and it's like a look that I don't typically go for. I don't know what it is, but I really like the curls on it, especially once I comb them out. I did get a lot of shedding. I really like the style of the wig. I just don't know if it's the color that's throwing me off. But yeah, I don't know if it's the color that's throwing me off with the style that's making me just feel like it's so dated. Like it literally is giving me 1950s vibes. Plus, like, I don't know, kind of like 90s Barbie. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. So I just tuck this little swoop part behind my ear because I felt like it was cuter that way. But with it out, it looks like this. But I hate having hair like over my eye and like pressing down on my lashes. So yeah, I just put some foam on it and just kind of swooped it because like I said, it also gives me kind of like a 90s vibe as well. But I literally had to pull this wig all the way down. You see like the baby hairs are like literally by my eyebrow. Well, one, my edges come down so far, like they come down, my baby hairs just like grow all the way down here. But I don't have the wig band on, the elastic band. And it feels pretty comfortable on my head. So I would say that this is pretty much like a standard size wig cap. You know, it has combs, and yeah, we'll just see. Now, I would have to pull this down, and then that's when it starts to get a little like, is it a little small? Yeah. So if you have a larger head, and if you have edges that come down really far, just be aware that you might have to finesse this wig a little bit. But yeah, guys, I don't know. The shedding and the tangle, I'm not really getting any tangling. Well, a little bit. I am still getting a little bit of shedding, so a little bit of shedding and tangling. Yeah, I like the wig. I just think I would like it a lot more in a darker color. And I do like it better swooped to the side like this. So what do you guys think? This is about how long it is. So like I said, it's like 18 to 20 inches. Yeah, 613. It's not too yellow or anything, or brassy or anything like that. So, but I just feel like it would give off like that 90s vibe in a 1B, and it would be really cute and a little bit more versatile. Like, I feel like I have to watch what I wear with this, if that makes sense. Anywho, that does it for this wig review. Just short and sweet. I'm not really feeling it. I don't know. I'm kind of in the middle. I'm like a meh. You guys can leave your comments down below on how you feel about the wig. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. And also give it a thumbs up if you want to see more wig reviews. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.